Hi, welcome to SEMAC Manufacturer. In this video, we will guide you on how to handle the leaked oil inside the hydraulic cold press cylinder. First, we will test the machine to see how it is working. As you can see, the machine is still running normally. After the initial test, the customer pointed out some problems to us. The main issue is a broken plastic gasket inside the cylinder. To solve this problem, we will simply use a wrench to remove and replace the gasket. The process is quite simple. We just need to remove all the screws. In this case, we will remove a total of 10 screws from both the top and bottom of the cylinder. After removing them, we will press the machine down to see how the lubricant flows. When we lower the cylinder, a significant amount of lubricant flows out. We will then remove the cylinder and clean it to make it easier to move and prevent slipping. The next step is to remove all the remaining lubricant inside the cylinder. We should use a tool to collect the lubricant because there is still a lot of it inside the cylinder. I used a large bucket to hold the lubricant, and I can pour it back in after the repair is complete. To ensure that we remove all the lubricant, we should use an air gun to spray air into the remaining oil line. Next, we will remove the plastic gasket from inside the cylinder and replace it. During the process of disassembling and replacing plastic gaskets, we need to ensure safety and efficiency. After removing the damaged gaskets, we need to clean the inside to remove any dust or dirt. Next, we install the new gaskets into the block, making sure they fit into the grooves properly. Then, we continue to install the gaskets onto the cylinders. However, due to the high viscosity of the lubricant, we had difficulty installing the gaskets. However, we succeeded by lifting the engine and applying pressure from above. Next, we reassemble the small parts to bring the cylinder back into the machine and reconnect the oil lines. After completing the assembly, we check the motorbike to ensure that the cylinder no longer leaks. Finally, we will reassemble the components for the cylinder, ensuring that the new gasket is stable and precise. Then, we will check the cylinder head again before reinstalling it onto the engine. After securing it in place, we will pressurize it normally to perform another check to ensure that we have addressed the problem thoroughly and accurately. Finally, we reattach the screws and refill the oil into the machine. So Ngoc Dewey has finished repairing the machine for the customer in Cambodia, and the machine is now functioning normally. If you need technical support or have any questions about woodworking machinery, please contact us for the best solution. Goodbye and see you again.